Yes, we mwiroreri wa WIREKERERIE Inoro TV. Haha ni ha Menya muini waku. Na omothe ndirenda kwaria gikoyo muno, ndirenda kwaria githogo tondu gikoyo nie ndingihota, yani I can't. Ngwiraga riria twagia na a very big artist in the country, ndirikoragwo ngimurehe haha ha Menya muini waku ugakorwo ukimwirorera live and direct. Na muthenya wa mothe ndina mundu very special, yani ndina the queen of reggae music. All hail Queen ETANA. Karibu sana Nairobi, karibu sana Inoro TV, karibu Kenya.
Thank you.
First of all, let me just say you are looking so good.
Thank you.
Let me congratulate you for your Grammy nomination.
Thank you.
And let me just ask you, how does it feel being the first female being nominated for the Grammys? How does it feel?
Fantastic. And I also want to say big ups to all the females before me. 22 years ago, there were other, and there were maybe 2 other people nominated 22 years ago.
Yeah, sure.
And so big up to all of them. But I'm excited more for the love that I've gotten from all my fans all over the world, who's made them realize that it was time for a female to be nominated again.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Big job. I mean, awesome job for
Thank
that.
you.
Now, ETANA, this is your 3rd time being in Kenya. Just how does it feel coming back to a place whereby, you know, you have a very big fan base?
I see the love grow. I saw it mushroom, and it continues to grow, and I'm grateful because I love them just the same.
Your music is always a masterpiece. Every song you release is a masterpiece. Please explain to us how your creative process is like.
First, the chorus may come to me first, and then I write the rest of the song. And then I think of how I want it to sound. And then I call, most likely, Clive Hunt or any producer that I feel will, you know, bring the sound to life. And then I tell them basically how I want to hear it. And they bring it to life by choosing the musicians they believe that can, you know, tell the true tale.
Okay.
And then after the production is done, then we do the mixing. And I have to find the engineer who I believe will bring the sound even more to life. And then after that, then we go to mastering. And we also have to handpick the person who masters the song as well.
Wow.
So it's a lot of work.
You are an inspiration to so many women out there. Now, being a wife, being a mother, and also being this big name across the globe, does it overwhelm you sometimes?
Maybe. Like, I mean, there are times when it gets really, really, really hard. Then in that second, in that minute, I have to remind myself that this is what it is.
Yeah.
And that I have to keep going because there's so many people across the world who depend on me for positive energy, inspiration, strength, and I can't afford to let them down, so I just have to keep going.
Now, on to the parts that I love most. These are the fun questions. If you were not an artist today, if you're not the musician we are seeing right here now, who would you be?
I'd be a nurse. I'd be in white, full white or every day, or just scrubs, taking care of patients and people. I love to take care of people. I love to see people renew. I love to see them rise up and be great. I love to see them smile.
Okay, that's so nice. I can tell from your personality, from the way you're looking, like you look so, like being so caring and all that.
I'm always that way.
What is your most annoying habit? The thing that you normally do and you don't like it, you want to change, but you can't change it. Something you do.
Oh, maybe I can get talkative and I can be very playful sometimes. And it's sometimes hard to tone it down and it can be annoying. And I'm always laughing. Even in a serious situation, I will laugh and people will look at me like, why are you laughing at this moment? Yeah. But I guess that's how I deal with everything, you know. I deal with it with a smile.
Now, our WIREKERERIE fans have been requesting love song for the longest period of time. I just want to request you to do an a cappella for them.
Even though you broke my heart, and I lay here in the dark, tears rolling down my face, flowing from my heart. I will never leave your side, ride or die, right here till the end, my lover, my friend.
I'm ETANA and you're locked into Inoro TV. Keep it locked.
Thank you so much for sparing time to come and say hi to your
Yeah.
WIREKERERIE fans. We love you so much. We want to wish you all the best.
Yeah,
All the
thanks
best.
for having
And
me.
Just feel home. Anytime you want to come by, okay. You're always welcome.
Thank you.
Okay.